you have also mentioned about the financial things, right? About the huge amount, 3 to 4 lakh of the private universities, and uh, but I think this is more than that. I think there is some one can say the blocked account. So there is a blocked account, and also there is some called uh, good amount of money that one should have to invest here. And yeah, so can you explain more about what blocked account is and how it works, and also how much the money one can require? Or maybe you can also explain a bit more about the three category of student that we have discussed. So if one can have one is in the bachelor and masters, like already have the master's degree or master's plus job, so you can maybe explain with this regard also. And also about, yeah, so we are discussing this is because there are not the all people in India who can afford the good education, like in maybe in abroad. I don't say the good education, it's like the education in abroad, maybe the master degree in abroad. But one can have maybe one can have the other option if don't have the that much of money. So can you explain a bit more about this?
Yes. When it comes to US, UK, Canada, or Australia, when it comes to
Mm.
all these famous abroad countries,
Yes.
when you go for visa process,
Mm-hmm.
when you go for visa, they will ask you to show some specific amount in your bank account to
Mm-hmm.
provide you a visa. That is like a proof to tell that, okay, this person is not going to be, begging on roads, or this person is not going to
Mm-hmm.
ask someone, this person is not going to steal someone because he's not having money. It's not like that. Because
Okay. Mm-hmm.
these countries will ask a proof that you have minimum amount with you.
Yeah,
You
to
have
have their own security. Yeah.
exactly to
Mm-hmm.
survive in those countries, to prove them that yes, I have some amount with me, I can survive on my own. So
Mm-hmm.
for that reason, these countries will ask you to show some amount in your account for
Mm-hmm.
visa purpose. But what
Mm-hmm.
happens is, these, I mean, everybody, what they do is, if for 2 to 3 days they will show the account, show the amount in the account.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. After that, they remove the account. I mean, they remove the
That's.
amount from the account. So using that, they get the visa. Coming
Mm-hmm.
to Germany, that cannot be
Mm-hmm.
done. For
Okay.
example, for UK, if you want to go, they will ask you to show 25 lakhs in the
Mm-hmm.
account.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So for 3, 4 days, they will put that 25 lakhs
Mm-hmm.
from somebody, they'll get maybe a
Mm-hmm.
loan, or
Yeah,
maybe
yeah. Mm-hmm.
sometimes consultancy themselves do that.
Mm-hmm.
Consultancy themselves, they tell that we will put 25 lakhs in your account for 3 or 4 days, but for that we will take the charge of 3, 4 lakhs from you. And then
Mm-hmm.
in those 3, 4 days, visa will check with your account, visa will
Mm-hmm.
be provided, and they will take the amount. For
Mm-hmm.
Germany, that's not the case. For Germany, we have something called blocked account.
Mm-hmm.
Blocked, the name itself is saying blocked account.
Mm-hmm.
So in India, while you are in India to get a visa, you need to open the blocked account. Blocked account is provided by some, uh, you know, expat trio. There is one blocked account provider,
Mm-hmm.
Germany, who is called expat trio. There is
Okay.
one more called Coracle. There is one
Okay.
more called Fintiba. These are
Mm-hmm.
some blocked account providers. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What they do
These are
is,
the companies,
these
the
are the
different
companies
different.
which
Okay.
provide blocked accounts.
Hmm. This
So
is nothing linked with the German government or something. It's the private companies, right?
it's not yes, it's not public. It's not done by government actually. That's why
Okay.
we have different options.
Hmm.
So they're definitely linked to the government banks here. Okay.
Okay.
So Expectrio, Coracle, Fintiba,
Hmm.
we have these kind of options,
Hmm.
and you can open a blocked account there. You can open your ID. You can create an ID. You open your blocked account, and then what they ask is, for 1 year they will
Hmm.
ask us, they will give you a specific amount, how much blocked account amount you need to have in your account. Now,
Hmm.
currently it is 11,000 euros change.
Hmm.
So around 11 lakhs or 11.5 lakhs you can take. Clear?
Okay.
So what you need to do is, you need to put this 11 to 12 lakhs of amount in that
Hmm.
blocked account. You need to
Hmm.
put that. Then the account will get blocked. Clear? Okay.
Okay.
What happens? That will be a proof. Okay, for 1 year, this person can survive in Germany. Even if he doesn't get a job, even if he doesn't get a part-time, okay, this person
Hmm.
can survive. Why? Because you have blocked account with you. Looking at that blocked account amount, visa will be provided. Okay. Clear?
Hmm.
So for that reason, blocked account is needed. And I will maybe in coming minutes, when we talk
Yeah.
about after coming, we will
Hmm.
link the bank account to the blocked account. I will talk
Okay.
about how blocked account can be used. But as
Hmm.
you asked me about expenses, I will stick to that topic. So
Hmm.
for putting money in blocked account, let's say 12 will be the maximum, 12
Okay.
lakhs. So that 12 lakhs is also for us only. It's
Hmm.
not that we are going to give 12 lakhs to the college or government.
Hmm.
These 12 lakhs are for us. These 12 lakhs are for our own security, for our own expenses for one complete year. Blocked account
Hmm.
will be for 1 year. So for
Hmm.
that 1 year, whatever expenses you will have here in Germany, you can use those 12 lakhs. And sometimes what happens if you're a student and you want to
Hmm.
directly come to masters, if your parents are, you know, if you're fortunate enough, if your parents are already well equipped, they will provide you the amount for the blocked account, right? Or
Hmm.
else if you're a person who is done your who is already done with your bachelor's or masters and you are working already, you can
Yes.
start saving money, because
Hmm.
12 lakhs to 15 lakhs is not a very big amount actually. Like,
Yes.
of course it's a big amount compared
Hmm.
to the regular lives, but
Yeah.
when you compare it to the US UK
Hmm.
structure, it's very
Hmm.
less. So you can
Yeah.
start saving if you're really interested. Yeah,
Hmm.
we always say where there is a will there is a way. So if you're really interested, 12 15 lakhs saving is not that tough. You can start
Hmm.
saving on your own. So, or you have another option. Either your parents can support you, or your job can support you, or you can take help of an educational loan.
Hmm.
There are many banks outside, public banks, private bank finance groups who
Hmm.
provide the loans for the education. So once you're coming here and then you're doing your 2 years of masters and you get a job, then you can very quickly pay it off, right? So these are the things when it comes to loan. So 12 lakhs for blocked account, 3
Hmm.
lakhs maybe for your tickets, for your luggage, for your, shopping and all those. Almost 15 lakhs is like more than enough if you
Okay.
want to come to Germany.
So it's really depend on person to person how one can wants to expend this kind of money. But yeah,
Exactly.
really approximately of 12 lakhs that should be into your bank account that called the blocked account, and also one can have their own like expensive for, but for our uh, based on your experience you just have mentioned 2 or 3 lakhs more to have the tickets and all, maybe the initial things that you have to buy or something like this. Okay,
Right.
then it's about around 15 lakhs. Okay, and it's so I just want to mention one more thing. So the blocked account, it means that you are going to have this much of money for a year, but you are going to have on the every month that you are going
Monthly
to
basis.
have, yeah, monthly basis. So it's going to divide by the 12, and you are going to have some fixed amount that you are going to access for each month. You are not going to able to access the whole amount what you have put into the blocked account. You can't going to have the access. So you are going to have the access. It's like a fellowship, or it's like the salary. You are going to have that much of money in your bank account on the every month, right? It's not going to be have the all money. You can't even see the whole money in your bank account. Is it so, or you can see or something like this?
You can always see the blocked account amount in the
Okay.
blocked account provider.
Hmm.
After you come to Germany, you will open the bank account, right?
Hmm.
So
Okay.
once you open the bank account, you need to provide these bank account details to your blocked account provider.
Hmm.
Then this account will get linked to the bank account. So
Hmm.
once you attach your blocked account to the bank account
Hmm.
after
Hmm.
coming to Germany, every month this blocked account provider will send the money to your bank account. In my
Hmm.
case, every month for 1 year, I get 939 euros per month.
Okay.
Currently, it is changed to 989, 999 something. So
Hmm.
every month, I have put 12 months into 939 euros in the blocked account while I was coming.
Hmm.
Now, after coming here, every month from day one when I attach the account, blocked account will give you 939 euros every month into your
Okay.
account. So you can use that money for your expenses.
It's somewhere 80 to 90,000 in Indian currency, right?
True, true.
And yeah, so if one can not able to have this much of money, maybe not by the saving or not by the from the family support, so is it possible to have the loan for coming here in Germany? Is it possible?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so
Just like I told in the before one, you have public banks, which are the
hmm,
government banks. You also have private finance groups. which
Okay.
provide education loans. So
Mm-hmm.
if you have liabilities with you, if you have assets with you, you can
Mm-hmm.
show those assets and then you can get an educational loan. And it's not going to be a very big amount. So once you come here, you get some part-times, you get some jobs. So into education loans work in this way always. Like when you take an education loan, nobody will ask you to repay it until and unless you're done with your masters. Like 2 years, definitely they will give you time. 2 years
Mm-hmm.
time they will give you, and then 6 months buffer they will give you. Then they will ask you to repay the loan, right? So it's
Okay.
absolutely fine. 15-20 lakhs if you take the loan, you will definitely be able to clear it off very soon. So you
Okay.
can get
And
loans from private finance groups, and the education loans you can get from the government banks as well. You have
okay.
providers who provide loans.
So I think we have discussed